There he is. What are you doing? Huh? You don't know? What? That's gotta be the cutest voice in the world. Hi, Grandma. Hi, honey. Yeah? Well, come on. Marius. Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing, honey? Yes. Yeah. Oh, you're so cute. How are you doing today? Yeah? Hi, honey. Okay, say bye-bye. Tell everybody bye. Bye.